The red button.
I accidentally hit the back button to your home screen, so this is part 2, I guess.
Could be.
I can't see the egg.
What? You can't see what? The egg?
Oof. I see eggshells above.
I'm working hard at trying not to crack this baby. I don't want it to miss.
Oh, yeah, a bit.
We're going to try to make some deviled eggs, but we sure didn't
Yellow bit.
cook enough eggs because I had some sweet people who ate the ones that cracked, which is fine.
Did Mommy have one?
No, she did not. Okay, here we go.
It's done.
One more. Oh yeah, the video should be done because if we use all of our video, we'll have to delete some pictures. And I like deleting pictures.
Oh no,
of my
Mimi.
time
So
with my baby.
something bad happened. I hit this button on accident.
This is a pretty one. Orange
Bella made it.
Orange and green.
My dad pinned physical 100. She just told you.
Round 3. The match will commence once the whistle goes off. Our team's survival was riding on this, so...
Yeah, we're getting there.
I smell it.
Yeah, Mama said it smells like stinky something, she said. You know what it reminds me of? When I was a little girl and we had sulfur water in our well. And that smell was terrible. Okay. Okie dokie. I think I've shelled them all.
We're done. Finally.
Look at all them pretty shells.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, everybody. Bye. Okay, I've got to wash these. And get ready to mix that up